Hello, 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 and welcome back to the channel to all of my boss buddies. I hope you guys are doing amazing. I hope you are well. I know it is dark, y'all, but I wanted to stop by really quickly and give you guys an update. I know I did not upload a video yesterday, but I want to let you guys know I am well. I'm wonderful. I have not forgotten about you guys. As a matter of fact, I'm on my way to the grocery store, and I'm gonna see if I can get you guys a video tonight, and we will probably do a video on how to prepare gifts that you only spend $5 for and make over $15 or $20. Okay, so we're gonna talk about something like that. I'm not quite sure, but anyway, I'm gonna do all I can to get you guys a video. I want you to know I have been really busy, y'all. I have been busy trying to get my church prepared for grand opening. I've also been taking last minute orders, something I normally do not do, guys. I have not done that in years and years, but I had a family that had experienced the loss of a loved one, and I got pulled and drafted to do some funeral arrangements, guys. And I think I posted both of them. If not both, I know I posted one on my community post. Make sure you guys take a look at that. I did not record myself doing it because I did it last minute and I was in such a haste trying to get it done before the funeral. So anyway, that's what I've been up to the last couple of days. I hope you guys have been doing amazing. I hope you have been doing wonderful. I hope things are well for you guys. I have some amazing videos coming up. The questions that you guys give me always gives me insight and always give me an idea of what I can post next, the videos that I can post next. So I already kind of have a gist. And guys, please, I apologize for the darkness. I guess I could have cut the light on back here. Not that it's helping that much, but I apologize for the darkness, guys. It's dark and I'm outside, and yeah, so I'm on my way to the grocery store. But yeah, I wanted to tell y'all the questions that you ask always give me great ideas for future videos. So I have some great videos coming up. One that I really want to tap into is, what is it that I do? You know what, y'all? We're going to ride to the grocery store. We're going to go ahead and ride to the grocery store because I am hungry. I'm going to cut the light off, y'all. Y'all know what I look like, okay? So it's okay if you can't see me as long as you can hear me. But I can't drive with these lights on. But anyway, I'm going to have to turn one of them on. I'm gonna let y'all ride me to the grocery store so that I can go ahead because I am hungry, number one. And then number two, I thought about something. Someone asked me a question and I wanted to do a live on this just in case some people wanted to ask some questions and I could answer them right then. But I'm gonna go ahead and start talking to you guys about that now. Someone had asked what did I do in the meantime when it wasn't a holiday? You know, what is it that I do between holidays when I'm not preparing gift baskets? Okay, so my answer probably is going to differ from a lot of people. Okay, me personally, and people that are new following me may not know this, but I designed over 500 gift baskets for Valentine's Day. So Valentine's Day pretty much sets the pace for the remainder of the year for me, okay? I've expressed this before, but I'll express it again for those of you that are just starting to follow me and for those of you that have been following and may haven't heard me say this. And I want to encourage you guys to let you know that there is a big bag when it comes to designing gift baskets, when it comes to designing gifts. And I always know when my husband has drove the truck because he always turned the lights off. Like, leave it on auto, sir. It's going to cut itself off. But anyway, yeah, I'm going to encourage y'all guys to let you know that there is a big bag. You can fill your bag from doing gift baskets, not just doing gift baskets, doing crafts, working your hands, the work of your hands. You can make amazing money. So I design so much and I make so much money during Valentine's Day that I can chill for months and months and months, okay? That's my personal I ain't gonna say plan, but that's what I do, okay? or what I can do. It's not what I do, but it's what I can do. And I do not go hard usually again until around Mother's Day. I do work hard for Easter, but I don't really go hard until Mother's Day. And I don't go as hard for Mother's Day as I do for Valentine's Day, which I may kind of change that a little bit this year. Just depends on if time permits, okay? And that's normally what the issue is. It's not that I don't have the clientele. It's not that I can't. It has not been a holiday that I didn't sit upside the road, which is where I do sell my gift baskets. For those of you that do not know, I go out and sell my baskets alongside the road, and that's where I sell 500 gift baskets here, alongside the road. Not Facebook, not Instagram, not Twitter, not none of those, but side the road. Okay, that's where I sell, and I make thousands and thousands of dollars alongside the road, okay? So if you guys want to continue to learn how to make big money, how to continue to fill your bag, please continue to like this channel. I also mentioned a couple videos back, I have started to do my one-on-one personal mentoring, business coaching, whatever you want to call it. And I don't want to just limit it to business, because my husband and I do relationship counseling. We do a lot of stuff, okay? I have a lot of knowledge in a lot of areas. Well, I don't want to use the word knowledge, because knowledge is something that you study for. I have a lot of wisdom, which is something that is given to you by God, okay? I have a lot of wisdom in a lot of areas. So if you just need a one-on-one with me, period, if you need somebody to encourage you, you need some, okay, all right. If you need somebody to encourage you, I'm about to get hit, y'all, while I'm sitting here recording. And no, it was not my fault, because I'm looking where I'm going. He was pulling out in traffic in the parking lot. But anyway, you need somebody to encourage you. You need somebody to motivate you. You need somebody to pray with you. Whatever you need for an hour. And I don't want to say prayer, because then folks will be like, oh, she charging folk to pray for. No. Whatever it is that you need me for, 1 hour and 15 minutes, the cost is $199, okay? $199, y'all. Let me tell you something. The information that I've given to you all for free on YouTube has already changed lives, has already fed families, has already put food on the table, okay? Has already pulled people off of their 9-to-5 job, okay? So I'm very confident with the fact of me charging $199, and I know some people might be like, that's too much, but I promise you it's not too much when you go to Burger King and buy everything you want and get it all the way you want it, okay? So, and anywhere else that you go, you have to invest in what it is that you want an outcome in. If you want an outcome in your business, you have to invest in it. If you want an outcome in your relationship, you have to invest in it. Okay, guys, so that's all that is an investment. Okay, it's $199 for 1 hour and 15 minutes. Okay, but that's not what this video is about. So this video is about, what do I do in the meantime? Okay, my answer is, I do a lot of stuff, y'all. I am a true natural born hustler, okay? True natural born hustler. I know sometimes that gets a negative feedback with that word, but I'm telling you, I'm a natural born hustler. I do what I gotta do to make my money. It used to be illegal, but it's not illegal no more, thank God. Everything I do is legal and by the books and certified by God, okay? So some of the things, I'm just gonna tell y'all some of the things I do to make money, okay? And it makes me money, because if it didn't make me money, I wouldn't be doing it, okay? There was a point in my business where I worked for peanuts, or I worked for a couple dollars. I don't do that anymore. So if there's anything that I do, it is producing me a good amount of money, okay? One of the things that I do is I sell handbags. I have a boutique. I sell handbags. I have a physical boutique, okay? We are in the process of moving now, so it's not actively open now to the public, but I've always had a brick and mortar business for over the last 20 years, from beauty salon to boutique to gift basket a company. I've always had a brick and mortar over the last 20 years, okay? Even when I didn't have two nickels to rub together, I always had a building to operate my business in. So what I do is I have a boutique. So I sell handbags, I sell clothes, I sell shoes, that type of thing, okay? Because whenever you have a business that is predicated upon certain seasons that you're going to be booming and certain seasons you're not, you have to get what we consider a supplemental income, okay? And some people's supplemental income is a 9 to 5. I'm not a 9 to 5 person. I don't knock people that work 9 to 5. Somebody's got to work 9 to 5 because somebody's got to be at these stores when I come to buy up all of this stuff, okay? So I'm not knocking the 9 to 5s. I'm just saying that's not me. So my supplemental income is to sell, to make money, okay? I'm going to go out and do whatever it is I got to do to make money. I make candy apples. I sell candy apples. I sell food. As a matter of fact, for those of you that do not know, we are in the process. I ain't going to tell it right now. I know y'all wanted me to tell it. I ain't going to tell it. That's for another video. Because y'all know everybody that watches you is not for you, okay? Although I can say 99% of my boss buddies are amazing. And I know that they rocking with me for real, okay? I'll say 100% of my boss buddies. It is a few people that are really not boss buddies that watch my videos, okay? But we ain't worried about them. We don't give room to negativity. We don't feed into negativity. We don't even acknowledge it, right? So, yeah. So, I'm not going to announce that. But I do sell food. What else do I do to bring in money? I sell food. I sell candy apples. I sell desserts. My family is well known for cooking. So we cook. Y'all, I have made over $1,000 in one day profit, I'm saying, from just cooking food, okay? Cooking food on a small scale. So there's money to be made, okay? There's money to be made. It's so many things that you can do to supplement your income. I do funeral arrangements. I have stopped that for a while, and I'm just starting back to get into it. Hopefully, I'm starting to get back into it. But I did make a couple, and I enjoy doing it as well. But I do funeral arrangements. I make wreaths. It's so many things that I do, guys. Let me tell you. One of my favorite sayings is you only broke because you want to be, okay? So maybe that's not your niche to sell or to do what I do, but I want to tell you, if you want to make money, there are ways to make money. Everybody has their own side hustle or their own supplemental thing that they do to suffice their income. Well, let me say this, you should, okay? Every millionaire has multiple streams of income, okay? So those are the things that I do. I now have a YouTube channel. So that's another stream of income. So there is money to be made, guys, okay? But you cannot be lazy. You cannot be just sitting back on your stool or do nothing. You got to get up, do something, and make it happen, okay? You got to make it happen. When I determined 4 years ago, I believe it was, that I was going to get off the system. I was going to run forward and not look back. Let me tell y'all something. I gave up one system to be compensated by many systems. And what I mean by that is I gave up the government system of taking care of me and my family, or helping take care of me and my family, because my husband has always taken care of us. But I used the government to help take care of my family. But when I gave that completely up, that one system, God then began to pour into me from so many other systems and so many other sources. And I have so many different streams of income that I'm able to pull from, that I have not looked back, sweetheart. I have not looked back at Section 8. I have not looked back at food stamps. I have not looked back at any of the things that I was riding on, you guys. God has now birthed in me many streams of income. And this is just the beginning where I am, okay? This is just the beginning. You guys called Birthing Bosses with Felicia on the beginning, y'all. And I'm looking around because I'm in the parking lot. It's getting dark and I'm about to get out of this car. But y'all caught me on the beginning of wealth, okay? And what I mean by that is where I am now, and I'm in a great place, but where I am now is nowhere compared to where I'm gonna be, and where you are now is nowhere compared to where you're gonna be. Guys, continue to stay up, continue to stay prayed up, continue to stay positive, guys. Weed out all the negativity, weed out all the negative people in your life, and I promise you, God is going to continue to fill your bag, guys. If you need to sign up for the $199 course, let me know. It's not a course, so let me change that. It's not a course. It's an hour and 15 minutes where I work with you hands-on by way of Zoom, by way, hey, how you doing? By way of Zoom, by way of Messenger, whatever we need to do, whatever is convenient for you. We're going to work together for an hour and 15 minutes. If you need me to help you make bows for an hour and 15 minutes, I will look at you on video chat and guide you all the way through. Guys, if you need to sign up, please let me know. If you want to buy an apron, please let me know. I've already shipped some out. One of my customers have already got one. Guys, they are $20 with $25 with shipping. If you're local and you want to pick one up, they're only $20. But if I have to ship it, it is $25. And I know some people probably like, I can make that on my Cricut. And guess what? You can. But when you give or buy an apron or you buy a course, you are supporting the channel. Not only are you supporting the channel, because see, I know a lot of you guys are not familiar with seeding and planting and harvest, okay? Maybe on the natural, but not so much on the spiritual. And then again, maybe a lot of you are. I know some of you are. I don't know about all of you, but I do know that some of you. But when you plant or sow into a system that you are receiving from, you then can receive a greater harvest, okay? So I seed into you guys every day with free information, with free wisdom, with free knowledge about what it is that I do. And you all are able to pour back into the system that you're getting or feeding from, or you're able to, let me put it like this, you're able to pour back into the table that is feeding you, okay? So this table, this channel has been literally feeding people, okay? So I want you guys to know that when you buy or purchase something that I sell, you're just pouring back into the system that has poured into you, okay? So guys, I'm gonna get off here so I can get into the grocery store. I'm hungry. I have the taste for some tacos. So I'm going in here and find me some low-carb wraps and get my condiments for my tacos, and I'm going home to cook, y'all, and I'm gonna try to still make y'all a video, because this wasn't intended to be a video. This was supposed to be a 2-minute talk to let you guys know that I was going to give you a video, but this turned out to be a video, guys. So I will try my best to get you guys another video of making the mugs a little bit later on when I get home, okay? I love you guys so very, very much. Thank you for the support. Thank you for those that give by way of Cash App, those that buy items, everything, even just watching the videos. I really appreciate it, you guys, because it's helping keep Birthing Bosses with Felicia in the YouTube algorithm, and I appreciate it. You guys are amazing. Continue to be blessed, continue to be encouraged, and most of all, continue to fill that bag, honey. I love you guys. Bye-bye.